In this video, you'll learn 8 digital products that you can create using Canva. So if you've been wanting to sell digital products online but don't know where to begin, you can actually start by using Canva to create and design your digital products, and I'll share 8 ideas in this video. Hi, my name is Aurelius, and on this channel I share my tips, tool reviews and tutorials to help you scale your business with online tech. So if that interests you, be sure to subscribe below and turn on notifications too so you don't miss a thing. Okay, first of all, quick note here, and I think this is an important thing to note, is that Canva does have license agreements in place. So if you are going to use some of their stock images and elements, do your own due diligence in reading through these license agreements. I'll provide this particular page, the link to it, in the description box, so do read it at your own time. And of course, if you're unsure about something, do seek legal and professional advice. With that said, let's get to the video. So digital product idea number 1 is to create ebooks on Canva. So logging into your Canva account, if you don't see A4 document, that's the format I would start with when creating an ebook. That's because it's the right printable size. You could also use letter size, so either A4 or letter size. So if I click on A4 document, that will then load up a blank canvas. Looking on the left, you will find templates that are pre-made and pre-designed. But again, do your own due diligence in terms of knowing whether you can actually use the photos that are in there. Even though some of them say that they are free to use, some are pro features only in terms of the plan that you need in order to use that particular template. So you will see it. So at the moment, I'm just scrolling over and you can see how many pages. 1 of 3, I've got 1 of 2. So there's 3 different templates based on this particular style. And just as a note, these templates aren't particularly or specifically for ebooks. These are just based on the A4 size that it's fitted to. You could get some inspiration by simply searching for ebook, and that will give you better results, so you can take a look at it. Now I'm going to randomly select one of these templates, this one here, and when you click on one of the templates, you can see the styled pages and apply all 4 pages, or you can apply 1 or 2 of them to the actual canvas. So if you do want to apply it individually, just click once on any of these, like let's say this cover page, and that's all that will be copied to it. And if you do want to apply all of these templates to your design, then click on apply all 4 pages, and then that will copy it to all of these pages. So now you've got 4 pages here they can edit. So this gives you a kind of a baseline to start with. And let's say you've got your content here. It's just a matter of entering your content, typing away, or if you've already got it ready on, let's say, Word or Google Docs, you can just copy and paste it onto this particular design. You know, everything that you see here can be edited, such as the title page, and we've got this particular frame. If you do want to add your own photos, simply click on Uploads and then upload from your computer. Or you can take a look at some of their photos in their library. There are some pro images as well as free images. But again, do look into the terms and agreements of these particular images. Now, let's say you finish editing your ebook. All you need to do is just download, and then make sure you select PDF, print, and then download a copy of that PDF. And from there, you've got your file ready to go so that you can sell it online and people will be able to instantly download your ebook. By the way, I do have another tutorial where I share step-by-step how to actually create an ebook on Canva. I'll link it up in the card right here for you to check out later. Next up, we've got digital product idea number 2, which are planners. Going to Canva's search bar, you can simply search for planner, and then you'll be given these choices. So a regular planner, weekly schedule planner, daily planner, meal planner menu. So those are a couple of ideas for you. If you're in the fitness industry, you could do some type of workout plan. Here's a template for a workout schedule, and all the person needs to do is just fill in the blanks for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, or whatever it may be. And here's a 4-week vegan meal plan. And hopefully some of these will give you some inspiration or some ideas in terms of creating your own planner to sell. Moving on, digital product idea number 3 that you can create on Canva are worksheets. Searching for worksheets on Canva, you'll see some examples here. These are some of the templates. I'll open this one here. This particular template is called the Artist's Muse, and all the student needs to do is fill in the blanks, and that's the worksheet and the exercise that they do. Next digital product idea are checklists. Doing a quick search for checklists on Canva, you'll see some templates and some examples. This one here, we've got an online meeting checklist. And of course, relate this back to your niche. So if you're in the social media marketing space, this could be some type of Facebook ads marketing checklist or something like that. The checklist would also make a helpful resource on top of your online course because you're basically summarizing what your course is about into a step-by-step checklist or an action plan that they can follow based on this 1 or 2 page checklist. All right, the next digital product idea are calendars. Here are some of Canva's generic type of calendars, but if you do want to get more inspiration in terms of, making your calendar more unique, go to Etsy.com and search for, let's say, calendars or social media calendar, related back, of course, to your niche or industry. But these are the ones that I found based on social media calendar. And we've got a 365-day social media content calendar, a printable social media planner, all these things that will give you some inspiration, and you can actually see how well a particular product has been sold based on the number of feedback ratings here. So this one's got 2,248 reviews left. So if I click for more info, this is what it's all about. We've got 365 social media post ideas, and this is a glimpse of what it looks like. And if you look at the digital products listed on Etsy, you'll see that the format is in digital download, PDF, and they get instant download after they purchase. So see how you can incorporate calendars into your digital product based on your industry. All right, moving on, the next digital product idea are printable quotes. So again, I'm going to use Etsy to give you some ideas and inspiration here. This one in particular received 1,925 ratings. Just take a look at how simple this looks. It's simply a positive quote here. It's a good day to have a good day. The seller's received almost 2,000 reviews, selling it at $5.36 US, and everything's digitally delivered. You'll see digital download. There are 5 JPEG images, and it's an instant download. On Canva, it's just a matter of creating a design, and what I do suggest is to create a custom size design based on a large width and height. So I would start with something like 4,000 by 4,000. The reason why is because if you are going to sell printables or printable quotes, you want to make sure that it's high resolution. So in the end, when your customer buys it, they can print it on, let's say, a piece of canvas or a large piece of paper, whatever it may be that they will be printing it on. So I'll go ahead and create new design. And from here, you could start with, let's say, adding a background of, let's say, something like pink. This one's quite strong, but you can fine tune it by clicking this on the spectrum color. And then we can just use like a pastel pink, whatever you want to create. This is just a demo, and then start adding your text. And you can either select one from here or just add your own heading. I'm going to increase the size like so, and then add have a good day. And if you don't like your default text or font style, you can choose one from one of these. And do note that some of these are for Canva Pro users only. So let's say I like this one here. You could do so. So Beliza, and that's what it looks like. Increase the size, decrease the size as you wish, and then you could even add some effects. But for quotes, you will kind of want to just keep it simple. What you can also do is go to elements and add particular shapes, or let's say triangles, just to give it a bit more style, and change this to, let's say, pink, but maybe a darker pink, like that. And then I can then copy paste, rotate it around here just to decorate it a bit more. So I'll make several copies and do whatever I want. But let's say I'm done with that. I can then click on download and save it as either PNG or JPEG, but usually Canva does suggest which format to save it as. And that's how you create printable quotes, but you can create whatever printable you want. Next digital product idea are reports. To give you some examples, if you're in the finance niche, you could create something like a financial report, or if you're in stocks, then you could create something like a stocks report, stocks to buy or invest in. Search for report on Canva. That'll give you some ideas as to what types of reports you could create. All right, last and final digital product idea is to actually sell Canva templates. So I'm going to use this quote as an example. As a Canva Pro user, and that's the caveat there, you do need a Canva Pro account, you can actually click on share, and then where it says share a link to edit, click that. And then you'll see share a link to use as template, and you'll see this crown icon, which indicates that's a Canva Pro feature. But if I click that and then copy link, and now what I've done is open up a new browser, but logging into another user, and it says a template created by myself was shared with you. Start designing now, and I can actually use this template as a user. So when you sell Canva templates to your users or customers, they're able to fully edit it, as you'll see if I click on use template. And now as a customer or user, I can fully edit it the way I want. So just as an idea, you could maybe put together a pack of 10 designs as one package for, let's say, $10, and that would be your package. So there you go, 8 digital products that you can create on Canva, and hopefully one of these have given you some inspiration and some ideas as to what digital products that you'll be going out to create online. If you enjoyed and got value from this video, by all means hit that like button, subscribe below, and turn on notifications too, so you don't miss out on any tutorials just like this. In the meantime, if you want to learn more about using Canva to create your digital products and some tips and tricks, I'll link up some other videos which you can watch right here.